The Sao Bernardo do Campo division in Brazil, where Volkswagen manufactures its vehicles, has tens of thousands of unsold vehicles. Since June 4, due to overproduction, the factory has had a temporary shutdown, with a projected duration of 2 to 5 months. This long stoppage of production is a major setback for Volkswagen. It is also of concern that Volkswagen is facing problems of insufficient demand not only in Brazil, but also in China and Germany, their biggest markets. So, they recently suspended production at their plant in Germany and laid off about 30% of their workforce. Similar circumstances can be seen in China, where Volkswagen has given way to BYD as the top-selling car company. Internal combustion engine manufacturers in China are hoarding millions of vehicles due to poor sales. In addition, the company's debt is already a staggering $180 billion, and they plan to borrow another $200 billion to fund their electrification efforts. Switching to electric vehicles is the Volkswagen Group's only chance of salvation, as demand for combustion engine Volkswagen vehicles, which currently account for about 93% of their global vehicle sales, will continue to fall, experts say. Volkswagen's reluctance to switch to electric cars could seriously hit the entire VAG group and then the German economy, which is already suffering from the refusal of Russian gas and related sanctions. Toyota is now facing a similar problem, but the Japanese government understands the problem and is already putting pressure on the group's management to switch to electric cars. We made a video about this, you can watch it in the upper right corner. Also, there is a chance that production in Brazil was suspended due to the government's auto industry stimulus program, which offered significant discounts on cars. However, Volkswagen remains silent and does not respond to media inquiries. This situation marks the beginning of a turning point, where the demand for Volkswagen's internal combustion engine cars is diminishing. However, the company lacks compelling EVs to replace them. They have limited EV production in Brazil and China, and the existing models are not highly desirable. From an investment standpoint, one might consider selling their shares in the Volkswagen Group, given the circumstances.